The Social Impact Lab is run by Emzingo. It's a 6-week program, and we landed on the ground in June to start it. The first week of that period was actually an orientation, given that we were landing in a totally different country, totally different culture, and we required a certain, let's say, initiation, if you will, into what would be our work environment before going out to address the mandates of our field partners. I mean, that was unlike anything I've ever seen before, even though I have traveled to an awful lot of countries. I've even worked in Africa before. I've worked in rural Africa, I've worked in villages, and I had never seen anything like life in the townships. And that's an opportunity that we wouldn't have gotten if we hadn't been there with Emzingo through the Social Impact Lab. That's not the kind of thing that you get to do as a tourist in South Africa normally. What was different about the Social Impact Lab was that it gave me the opportunity to do a sort of management consulting experience, which I hadn't done before, but also do it in an emerging economy context with an organization that would not otherwise have been able to afford like MBA level skills, and really see the impact that can have in such a small entity, even in just a few weeks.